more children in the country actively involve themselves in community service, especially in the health sector. Let us hear the report of Mai Mapili.
Like mushrooms, the Bulilit health workers are sprouting all over the country from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. A week ago, we witnessed the Bulilit health workers in Guagua, Pampanga, where we learned that their trainings and visits to hospitals moved them to become future health practitioners.
Tinutulungan namin mga bata na siguro mabuo yung ibang pangarap nila. And on top of that, para makatulong sila din.
On the other hand, last Friday's Bulilit health worker graduation in Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija is quite unique yet as meaningful as the rest of the investiture. It seems the Bulilit health workers and their doctor trainers developed this special bond that made the training days fun and memorable. Admirably, the concept of the program is simple. As early as grade 5, the students are trained and empowered to serve their family, friends, and their neighbors.
Your pictures again, the list in the group.
Sana marami kayong natutunan mga bata. Ma-share sana ninyo yung mga natutunan nyo sa loob ng inyong tahanan, sa mga kababata nyo, sa mga kaklase, at sa mga kapitbahay.
Trained by top medical practitioners and exposed to actual hospital operations, the young health workers are more than motivated to become one of those who have the capability to heal and help individuals.
I am very motivated in teaching this bunch of kids because they're very aware of what's happening right now in society, and they want to know. We want to replenish that fire within, that thirst, their thirst for knowledge. That's why we have to study hard also in order to teach them the next day.
What better learning the youth or our children may derive than expose them to the realities of life and empower them that in their own simple ways they can make a difference. This is Mai Mapili for News at 1, Junior Edition.